What is up YouTube, Tech by Who's here, and today I'm showing you everything I pack in my camera bag when I travel for photography and content creation. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to build a compact professional travel photography kit that actually works in the real world. Starting with the foundation, the Wonder It Provoke Light 11 liters, this roll top design expands when I need space and compresses for carry-on when I don't. 3 reasons this bag works for travel. It fits under every airline seat, the laptop compartment is separate from the camera cube, and the external straps give me quick mounting points. I've heard great things about this bag and it's lived up to the hype. The weather-resistant coating handles rain, the minimalist look is perfect for street photography, and the roll top adjusts for different climates and gear needs. Mounted on the outside, I carry my Joby GorillaPod 5K with a Siryu ball head. I got this Siryu ball head for precise control and solid locking. Next up, my Dell Latitude 5530 with 32 gigabytes of RAM. Not flashy, but it's a workhorse for editing on the road. Running a 4K timeline with color correction and effects, most of the time smooth, depending on the complexity of the video. That's what 32 gigs gets you. I upgraded from 16 gigs and it was the best investment I made. It's a 15.6-inch screen, bigger than ideal for travel, but I edit on location constantly. I've had this for 3 years and honestly it tackled every project in a smooth way. While it's lived up to its hype, I do plan to keep it, but to switch over to a MacBook for more power efficiency and editing power. This Anker 25K power bank has saved me countless times at airports and on long shoots with no outlet access. What makes it special are these built-in cables, 2 USB-C cables integrated into the unit. No hunting for the right cable when you're moving fast. With its 120 watts output, I can charge 2 devices simultaneously like my laptop and my iPhone. Honestly, I can't see myself going back to a power bank without built-in cables. The main attraction is the Lumix S5. I upgraded from a GH6 for the low light performance and I found this complete setup, body plus lens used for €500, full frame sensor and an under 1 kilo body. The 20-60 f3.5 lens gives me wide shots at 20mm and portrait compression at 60. This Volcam quick release gauge lets me go from tripod to handheld in 2 seconds. Buying used gear is a cheat code if you can't find steals. Finally, this €15 MG02 Plus double-sided MagSafe adapter that I use every single day. It's double-sided so I can attach my iPhone to one side and another iPhone or accessory to the other side. So that's everything I pack in my camera bag for content creation and creative projects. Every item has earned its place through real-world use. I've put a complete gear list with links in the description below if you ever want to check out some of these items. If you're building your own kit, let me know in the comments which item or gadget you would add or remove. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more gear content. That was it for me today, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.